This place is really woodsy. Oh, my car's like frozen. Is that your hair in my car? I have a gross pimple. I'm about to be 24 and I'm still getting pimples. Basically, I'm about to go and get breakfast for me and my baby brother. So, let's do it. Uh-oh. This ain't cool. Okay, so we're not doing Hardee's. We're gonna do something else. Probably Mickey D's. I don't know. There's a hole in your wall. Ow! What the heck, dude? That does not look good. I'm going in your room. I painted the wall red really badly a few years ago. This used to be my room. Now it's his. I think he has like an obsession. There's a picture of my mom over there. So I just took my aunt here. I'm gonna be doing her chores for today. A big old errand run.
And shorts, are those shorts?
No. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Ugh. I won't throw up. Well, this happens. I'm okay, by the way. This old lady hit me, dude. It's not cool. My car is hurt. So, yeah. Look at that. Stupid woman. It's flat. Whew. I'm glad I'm alright. My aunt had to go to the hospital though, so that's not cool. So, yeah. Pray for me, please. Well, I made it home. I put the spare back on it. I just changed the tire, dude. Man, this isn't cool. Like, her insurance will cover this because it was her fault. But gosh darn it, dude. A cat climbed on my car. Man. These are filthy. And I feel awful. I feel guilty. My aunt wanted to go out and shop anyway, so this isn't even like... I didn't even want to go out, dude. And this is what happens. And to make it worse is that this is the one time I didn't have my Bible in my car.